take you outside. This is my surrounding. There's lots of ants today. I was like step on the ants, and they are so nice. They are not bite me. They're just like going crawling around my legs. And here, where is the river? And last Monday, I record the Monday podcast under the bridge, and the white boar, like a white pig boar, they call, just come out from here, have like 9 babies. It was amazing and frightening at the same time. Okay, so last video I show you the mistake that I made while I was working with this bodysuit, like when working with elastic yarn, and what you have to watch out and make sure that you use the tape measurement. Today I'm gonna show you the finished look of this one. I already finished, and I just finished it today actually. About this design is that at the back, you can see here, very cute. I like it. And also, if you don't want to have this kind of line in your between your butts, you can use the fabric and line inside. I think when you're lining your crochet garment, especially bikini bottom or something like this, one piece on the bottom, I think it will make it better. But for me, I don't mind, and I like how it fit on me. I like how it feel on my body. This yarn is amazing. It's just like just hug your body, but still you need to learn to use the tape measurement. And I'm going to make a video also for those who get the written pattern. It's going to be like little chapter for a little section of the piece, so that you learn kind of like a designing process. So I would just recommend you to give it a try for those who have never read a pattern before. And this one, especially this one, I want to make sure that you can make it and fit you. So I'm going to make a section from the collar and the part that I think you need to watch out. It's not going to be like a tutorial or the whole piece, because I think with the written pattern, with diagram, with image, with picture, it's already enough. So I'm just going to only spot out the part that you need to watch out, and the part that I think is difficult for you. So I'm just going to show you that part. I'm so excited to teach you this way. It's going to be like a complete class for you to make this one to fit you, and you will also learn like tips about designing. I will talk about that as well, and I'm gonna talk about how to use the tape measurement. So I think this would be something very good for you to give it a try. By the way, today I announced for tester. If you want to be part of our team, you're welcome, because I'm looking for tester who can do size SM, L, XL, 2X, 3X. And if you wonder, like you don't know if you could make it fit you, or if your size is not in my size, you can always try us and ask me questions, because all of my design, I teach you how to use the tape measurement. So in fact, you can make it no matter what size you are. And when you learn the technique and method on how to actually make this piece to fit you, you will learn how to make it to fit everyone in your entire family, because you're going to learn how to use the tape measurement. And like I said, this year I'm so into teaching you on in another step, you know, like learn how to create the piece that fit you, learn to use the tape measurement. I don't know how to say. The tape measurement is like the key of everything of designing process. So I'm going to teach you everything you need to know if you are joining the testing team, or if you purchase a pattern later on. I will have a video to, you know, walk you through. I already talked about that, but because of today, I'm announced for tester. And if you feel like, yeah, you want to be part of the team, just join us on Crochet Tribe Maya Luna Corazon. So beautiful, look, it's so amazing. This is like our home, you know, like this is just 5 minutes walk out, and the sky is just so amazing. Also, if you have not yet get this yarn, I think you have to do it now, because if you want to make it, you need to have Alize Diva Stretch yarn. You can purchase from anywhere that is easy for you, but my one, I got it from Perfect Yarn, and I'll put the link also under this video. When you purchase from Perfect Yarn, make sure to mention my name, Maya Luna Corazon, and ask Leon to ship to you as fast as possible. Tell them that I have to make the design for my yarn, you have to ship it now.